Battleship Outer Space, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Battleship except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Assemble the boards and shield. The top board is called Sector 1, the middle is called Sector 2, and the bottom is called Sector 3. You may place your ships on any of the three boards. Ships may not be placed overlapping a letter or number, nor be placed in the tracking column or tracking row. Shots are taken on the top row or far left column on a sector. Instead of targeting a single space, you target an entire row or column on one board. To do so, call out the sector, then row or column you are targeting. Your opponent simply replies with hit or miss, and then you mark that column or row accordingly. When you call a row or column, all open holes in all of your opponent's ships in that row or column are hit. Your opponent does not need to specify which ship you hit, how many holes were hit, or even if multiple ships were hit. When all the holes in a ship are hit, that ship is vaporized. That ship's owner announces which ship was vaporized. The first player to vaporize all their opponent's ships first wins.